So only about 25% of you are subscribed, so if you could hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you.
They gotta come out. They got primers. They primed right on them. Man, that's some fucking asshole shit work. Everybody down in Florida went crack. Alright, strip away.
We got Brad here. Cut out this old piece of it's hot. Don't like it. Or do. Whatever you're into. Old patch.
Ugly.
Ugly. Very ugly patch. Oh my goodness.
Getting rid of that junk. Putting new good stuff in.
What we're doing is working out this little lip and trying to turn it, pull it out. It was all crunched in. And then it pulled this area in. Once we get this up, we'll work on that a little more. And then we got to weld them up. It ain't hard. I think I kind of need you to switch seats with me. changed a lot. You know, I kind of wondering about putting the slide bar there one more time and trying to pull that whole area together. Lower, yeah. Yeah, right there. Go down a little bit, right there. Hit it. Yeah, hit it. Okay. It's moved a good bit. It's flattening out a little. I think I want to hold tension on it again right there and hammer this over. So,
Oops, sorry.
let's move you way over here and hold right there. Not you. Pull and just hold pressure there, and then I'm gonna dolly it in some. What I just did with that.
Behind you. There you go.
Yeah, let's turn it on. Alright. Right now, stripping all the old paint out of the channel to the trunk lip. And I'm just using a black stripper wheel. Go around it a couple of times and do a couple different wheels. Out of time.